Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shelly over at Eat to Live Strong Plus More, and we're doing a segment of Plus More today. And we are going to do a mini haul with a retailer, and then we're doing a unpackaging with a retailer. And that retailer is Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty, the possibilities are beautiful. Ulta Beauty, let's get in. So this is something that every woman loves or should have, at least in my opinion. I was headed out of the store and I purchased this beauty here. And it's one of my favorites. It is a must-have. I keep these in my bathrooms. Each of my bathroom has at least one, and then I keep a couple in the bedroom because you never know when your girl want to wash her face, do a makeover, or remove makeup, or whatever you're doing with your a massage, whatever you're doing, this is a must-have. So I have plenty of these. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. I have a gray one, a pink one, a white one, a yellow one, a red one, and now I have a black and white one, and the list keeps getting bigger and bigger. But I love it. I was headed out the store and I saw it and I said, I gotta have it. So I purchased it and I'm so ready to wear it. So that was the first thing that I purchased. And then of course, I had to get my makeup. And I know some of you are probably saying, you never wear makeup. Yeah, I do go out of the house sometimes, so I do wear makeup. Let's see here. The first thing I got was the Glow Reviver Lip Oil. It's infused with apricot oil, and it is the Jam Session. And it's the Jam Session, and it's infused with apricot oil. So I can't wait to try this. I will be doing a review on this as well. And then I have the Wow Brow Tinted Gel. And this one is in the color Deep Brown. And then the color is Deep Brown. So the one thing I went into Ulta for was to get my girl's lipstick, Fenty. And you guys, I am a lipstick junkie. I am, as a matter of fact, I'm going to link a picture of all the lipstick that I have, minus the ones that I just recently bought. And let's see, that's Fenty, and this is her MVP #1. Ah! It is hot. And this is Fenty, and this is her Velvet Liquid Lipstick. Fenty don't play. Riri, girl. There you go. And again, that is the MVP. I'm going to show you the container, but I'm not going to show you what it looks like because I'm going to do a review on it. So, you know what? Should I? Okay, what the heck? I'm just going to show you what the container looks like. I'm not going to show you what the lipstick looks like because you're going to have to look at another video. It may be a short, so, but this is it. Isn't it beautiful? She got some class with this lipstick, man. She got that on lockdown when it comes, in my opinion. Yeah, it's on lockdown. Fenty. Girl, Riri. Thumbs up. I'll be doing a review on that. So I bought the Fenty, and then as a matter of fact, that's the only thing I went into that store for, was to get it because I couldn't find it in another store. My luck. But, hey, I got it. All right, so the next thing I bought was, it's called Heart to Love, and it is Ulta's lipstick. It's called Heart to Love. And that's their lipstick too. That's Ulta Beauty. So of course, it will be a review on this. More lipstick, more lipstick, more lipstick. So I have that. And then I bought another color that is called Cherry Pit. Love me some red. Now, red has a lot of different shades. So sometimes you gotta have that red that's gonna be, okay, she got on red lipstick. Then you got to have that red lipstick that's gonna be popping. And then you gotta have that lipstick that said, oh, she classy. Oh, she's going somewhere. So I bought another one, and I'll be doing a review on this. I'll probably do the lipsticks together so it won't be as long as the video. But anyway, this one is called Cherry Pick, and that's Ulta brand. And this is 303 Cherry Pick. Look at that. What? Y'all know I gotta go clothes shopping now, right? So that was the next one. And then your girl bought, what did I buy? What was this? You know, it's a shame when you go to the store and buy stuff and you don't even remember what you bought. So this is a lip liner. And this is Ulta's Beauty. This is their dual-ended lipstick and liner. So you got dual. You got two for the price of one. So this is, and what's the color on this one? This one is called Wild Card. Ah! So that's what we have there. Let's see if I can make it where you can see it there. I cannot wait to open this. Sounds like a girls' day here. Why don't they have a girls' day or a girls' night? Get my girls over here. So this is the other thing. Now, the last thing that I got, I didn't purchase. They were having a giveaway, but you had to spend a certain amount, and I want to say that it was $50. If you spent $50, $35 or $50, I don't remember, but that's something that they do, and you get to pick a bag, and I got the bag, another makeup bag. So that's the bag, and isn't it cute? It's like orange, like a peachy orange. You guys, the color probably looks pink or something to you guys on this camera. Anyway, it's more like a peachy color. But let's go and see what's on the inside, because I'm anxious to see what they have in here. Okay. Inside is vinyl, so if you spill something, you can wipe it out. So it's vinyl. That's pretty cool. I like the way they did that, because Lord knows you don't want to get anything on that, because then you just kind of destroy the bag. And let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, I can't get it open. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, the first thing, girls, we all need a beauty blend. And I was about to go and buy some too. I do need to still go buy more. But beauty blend, that came with a beauty blend. And this is a really neat gift. Come on, Ulta. They gave the poreless face primer. It's a sample, but hey, if it works, and I'll do, like I said, I'll review it and I'll try it. And if I like it, then I'll buy it and then I'll review it with you guys. But that's what that is. So I got the poreless face primer. And then I got another sample of tinted eye primer. Again, I will try it. If it works for me, then I'll buy it and then I'll review it with you guys. So these are samples. And let's see. They gave me a lot in this bag. That's pretty cool. Okay, now here comes the old eyes here. Okay, this is, looks like a lip gloss. Try and open it. Let me just show it to you. It's like a gloss, and I like that color. And one of the lip liners that I got from Sephora will work perfect with this one. And it's a pretty color, and I can't read what it's called, but it says it's a matte lip cream. So back there it says matte lip cream. There you go. That's a pretty color. So that was in there. And let's see what the next one is. Oh, they get, ooh. Okay, they don't want to get snazzy on me. They have a shiny sheer lip gloss. Look at that. Oh, y'all are giving out some stuff there. Let's see. Let me put this up here so you guys can see it. It is a beautiful shiny lipstick. It's beautiful. I might be buying this. That's how they reel you in. But that's a good marketing tool. Then I got a cute little brush, a makeup brush, and it's a good little giveaway. And oh no, they didn't. Jet Black mascara, lifting mascara, Jet Black. Let's see. There you go. Let me try and get that into focus. There you go. Mascara. And I'm really anxious to see what this is. Eyeshadow. Let's see. This is an eyeshadow palette. All right, Ulta. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this one because you guys want to see it too, right? I need to see it. Where's my scissors? Scissors. Let's see. All right. Can get it open. I don't want to destroy it, but I do want to see it. It's called Violet Hour. And let's look at the palette. Oh, that's pretty cute. It's cute. Go on, Ulta. That is pretty cute. And it has, let's see, the colors is Dusk, Twilight, Paradise, whoop whoop, Paradise. Let's see, Rosy Sunset, Endless Nights, hey, Cotton Candy, yes. Let's see, Wanderlust, and Lavender Moon. What? Let me see it again. That is so pretty. I will be reviewing this because I'm wondering if this is one of their new palettes that they're coming out with, but I'm going to review it and I'll do the review with you once I find out if this is a palette that they're going to sell, because it doesn't make any sense for me to review it with you if it's not going to be a palette that they actually going to sell. That's pretty cute. So that was the freebie that I got, and I might as well put it back in the cute little bag minus all the paper and the wrapping. And that's pretty neat. I appreciate that. Thank you, Ulta. That is beautiful. Now, the one thing that takes care of what I bought at Ulta. But I will tell you, I went in looking for another particular thing other than Fenty lipstick. I was looking for a face product. I was looking for something for the deep pores that I have in my skin. And I was looking for something that was like a chemical peel, but not a chemical peel, you know? But anyway, I did find something, but they did not have it in stock. So good thing about Ulta is many of things, but number one that really speaks volume for me is that the return policy, they are not going to go ham on you because you were returning something. They will return it. They just ask you one simple question: did you use it? And of course, it's makeup. You probably did try it on and it didn't look right on you, right? Because the lighting is different wherever you go, and they don't question you about it. They just mark it and say it was used. And I don't know if they put it out as samples and then hope that people will just take a Q-tip or something and use it. But their return policy is really cool and relaxed. And then if they have something that you want is not in stock, they will, if you buy it, they will go ahead and send it to you with no delivery charge. So it will be delivered to you free of charge. So that's what happened. I went in and I was looking for a particular item for my skin and they didn't have it in stock. So they sent it to me and we're gonna go ahead and open it. And because I don't want to deal with this, I'm just gonna cut it and get it over with. Okay. And of course, I am going to be doing a review on this one. And it is called Bye Bye Pores. Bye Bye Pores. We're going to see if this works. Now, I know for a fact being a nurse and being in the profession, you cannot, of course, you can't get rid of your pores. You got to have pores because that's how your skin breathes, number one. The only thing you can do is reduce the sizing of it so it will make it smaller, but it will not disappear. Everybody has pores in their skin. It's just the ones that have really large pores. And because of the medication that I take and all these other things, my pores have gotten a little out of control, in my opinion. So I'm going to do a review on this one. This is what I got. It is called Bye Bye Pores. So Ulta did me good, and I'm really happy about it. And that concludes the video. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And as I always say at the end of each and every one of my videos, God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now. Bye.